This one is better participated. We had about 20 events all in all. Two are international events, three are national events, and the rest are all local events, but they are big events. And I noticed that more people are interested in participating this year. This one is better participated. We had about 20 events all in all. Two are international events, three are national events, and the rest are all local events, but they are big events. And I noticed that more people are interested in participating this year. I consider highlight yung malaking achievement is the participation of the people, yung public. Kasi they were watching the events, tapos nanonood sila, and I received encouraging messages from them that yes, we should go on and convert this event from a local event to a national event to an international event. Siyempre, we'd like them to keep on thinking that as long as we will work together, we can make this an international event in the future. This is a unique event, unique festival compared to other festivals in other parts of the country because this one is not religious based, and we can put up a big float parade next time, and maybe expect people coming from other places to come and see the float parade, this grand parade that we're going to hold this afternoon. Yun, nasabi ko kanina na hindi ito religious-based, based ito sa biodiversity. We would like to know, all the Filipinos, that in terms of biodiversity, yung Palawan is richer in biodiversity, both inland and in the sea. So, napakarami ang pwede nating gawain na i-include sa festival na ito na hindi available sa ibang mga festival na ano lang siya talaga yung sa religion. Maybe the people will expect a bigger one, maybe more international events, or the existing international events will be participated by more people and more national events para makarating tayo doon sa pangarap natin na gawin itong international event where people from other countries will come manood itong festival na ito.